Good morning. Today we will start with the topic filtration. Filtration is a method which is used to remove an insoluble solid mixed substance from a liquid mixture. The separation by filtration is better and quicker than sedimentation and decantation. So a filter paper has very fine pores which allow only liquid molecules to pass through. Hence, filter paper can separate smaller particles. So we can separate solid, soluble impurities from a liquid. I will show you how to do the process of filtration. This is a beaker. In this beaker, we will put the muddy water. This is the filter paper pack which we are using in the laboratories to how to do the process of filtration. I will take out one filter paper from it and I'll show you how to use it in the process of filtration. I will turn it once and press it. Again we will press it one more time. You are able to see the triangular shape. Now how to use it in the process of filtration? We have to open it. 3 parts we will keep on one side and 1 part on another side. It will take the shape of the cone. You are able to see the shape of the cone. Now this shape of cone will be put in the funnel. When we will put in the funnel, we will put the muddy water and the residue will be collected in the filter paper and the filtrate will go down. This is how we will do the process of filtration. I will explain you the definition and with the help of a diagram, I will explain you how we can do the process of filtration. Filtration is the process of separating an insoluble solid from a liquid by passing the mixture through a filter paper is known as filtration. I will show you a beaker. This is a beaker and this is a filter paper. So we will make cone with the help of filter paper. If we want to filter anything, we have to keep funnel and in the funnel we have to keep the filter paper. Now with the help of diagram, I will show you how to do the process of filtration. This is a stand. Now on the stand you can see the table. On the table the stand is kept. Now the funnel is there and you are able to see the beaker. In this beaker there is muddy water. This muddy water is poured. The funnel is there. In the funnel we have kept the filter paper. Funnel and the filter paper. So this muddy water is poured into the filter paper. What will happen now? You are able to see the muddy water is going down and you are able to see one more beaker down there. And that water is collected there in that beaker. That is known as filtrate. And the thing which will be collected in the filter paper is known as residue. So what we have done? We have taken a stand. Stand is kept on the table. And on the table you are able to see it is the stand is attached to the filter funnel. And in the funnel you are able to see the filter paper. So the muddy water is poured and with the help of you are able to see this is the glass rod. And the glass rod is mixing whatever the muddy water is poured into that. This is a mixture of muddy water. So when it is poured, you are able to see another beaker is down there and that beaker is collecting the water and that is known as filtrate, and whatever will be remaining there in the filter paper is known as residue. So this is the process of filtration.